Hello, little ones. Hope all of you are safe and fine. Today, we are going to see a story about a little girl who had a bad day at her school. She was very angry because of it. And we'll see how her dad cooled her down and brought her back to herself. Angry Akku by Vinayak Verma, published by Pratham Books, and I am doing this for Pratham Books One Day One Story 2020. Sorry, I could get a black and white copy of the book only. Hope you all enjoy listening to this. When the last school bell rang, ting 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 ting, all the children laughed and screamed with joy. Hooray! All except Akku. Akku was angry. We'll now see what made Akku angry. Her dad came to the school to pick her up. Dad said, Akku, Akku, look at the pretty sunflowers, said Appa as they rode through a field. They are too yellow. They're making my eyes hurt, said Akku angrily. Yellow, yellow, dirty fellows, huh? When they went home, Akku, Akku, look at all the monkeys, said Appa, pointing at the roof of their house. Can you see the monkeys on the roof? Yes, 1, 2, and 3. But what did Akku say? Chee, said Akku. Shoo, shoo, go away, shoo. Akku looks very angry looking at the monkeys and grumpy too. They went inside. Appa said, Here, drink some buttermilk, said Appa. It'll cool you down. Said Akku, I don't want any. Try a sip at least. Please? Okay, fine, said Akku and tried a sip. It wasn't all that bad. She had another sip and another. In no time, the glass was empty. I think the buttermilk was very yummy. I too like drinking buttermilks with a dash of hing in it. And now we'll see what happens. Would you like a vada? Asked Appa. Parupu vada? Phew, said Akku. Just one little bite? Okay, fine, said Akku and took a bite. It was also quite good. And she took another bite and another. In no time, the plate was empty. Chop, 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 she ate. Wow. Can you see her Appa combing her hair? So sweet of him, isn't it? After finishing her vada, Appa asked, Good girl. Now will you tell me why you're so angry? No, said Akku. Was it something I did? No. Then was it something Amma did? No. Then did something bad happen in school today? Maybe, she said. Oh, said Appa. Appa immediately went inside and brought her a few crayons and a sheet of paper. Would you like to draw it? Asked Appa. And here is a nice sheet of paper and some crayons for you. Okay, fine, said Akku. You know what she drew? Akku drew a brick, an orange brick. This is the stupid brick that I tripped over this morning, said Akku. Oh, I think Akku fell down. You're right. This is a very stupid brick, said Appa. And Aku drew a boy. This is Bikku, a very bad boy. He laughed when I fell down, said Aku. Oh my. You're right, said Appa. He shouldn't have laughed at you. Appa is right, isn't it? And Aku drew an idli. This is my idli, said Aku. It fell out of my lunch box when I tripped over the stupid brick, she said. And Aku drew a crow. Ka ka ka, crow. This is the very bad crow that flew off with my idli, said Aku. Oh, the crow must have been very hungry, said Appa. And then Aku drew her teacher. This is my teacher, Amla Miss, said Aku. She helped me up when I fell down and then she hugged me. So sweet. That's nice of her, said Appa. And then she pinched my cheeks. I do not like it when my cheeks are pinched. Oh, that must have hurt, no? A little bit, but I'm okay now. That's good, said Appa. Appa said, See how well you draw, Aku. You are a real artist. Will you draw something for Amma too? Oh, okay, said Aku and started drawing some. This is a little white mouse, and this is a boat, and this is a coconut tree. And this is a sunflower, and this is your cycle, Appa. And this is a dog, bow bow, and this is a frog, quack 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 quack. In no time, Aku had forgotten all about the stupid brick that made her trip and fall, and about the bad boy who had laughed at her, and about the idli stealing crow too. And Aku even forgot about being angry. And she forgot about the bad day at her school and she was back to herself. And these are the 10 things to do if you feel angry like Aku. Laugh loudly, ha ha ha, and jump around with your arms in the air, hey hey hey. Slowly, very, very slowly. Breathe in and breathe out. Drink some water or buttermilk or even a juice or a milkshake. Eat a piece of fruit or a vada. Tell a grown-up about how you're feeling. It may be your mother, it may be your father, it may be your brother, sister or grandparents too. Or write about how you're feeling. It'll help you more. Draw it out, paint it, make it colorful. Play with a pile of clay. Make up a song about your anger and sing it aloud. La 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 la. And dance like a monkey. Hip hip, hooray, hip hip, hooray. And never get angry at anybody. It will increase your BP only. So stay happy, stay cool, and enjoy every day of your life. Have a fabulous and a fantastic day. Bye.